Now, your role would be, you have to get us that 81,000. So remember that 81,000 are to be serious people, not non-serious people. Even here, even though they register, and we do make the charge on that, yet they don't attend. We want people who attend, because when you attend, we are doing something for you. Certain things you are talking, other things you are not talking, but we are silently working on you. But unless you attend, how do we work on you? So people aren't serious. So that is the whole problem. And once we should try to get to 81,000 but one good news for you, the numbers of M&M have increased this year. You have all worked very, very hard, and the numbers have, for the first time after a year, is moved up. The numbers have grown. I'll give the numbers later, next time. The numbers have grown. That's a very good sign. And people seem to be quite serious also. These are the plus factors. We should try to complete this by the end of this year, 2024. And by 2025 end, each of you should have given the state, transmitted the state to at least 1,000 people. 1,000 into that 81,000 will bring us to 8 crore or 80 million people. So once we get to those numbers, the state would automatically be spreading, like a virus spreading. It would spread and spread and spread across the globe. It would spread not only to humans, but also in some way to animals also. Even now when we do transfer the state to animals, the animals are becoming happier. So it could be transferred to everyone. So that would be happening automatically. So with that, we would be able to minimize the calamities. There are going to be 100 calamities, you could make it into 90 calamities. And if the calamity is going to take away 1 million people, we can make it into, let us say, 500,000 people. So we could do all those things so that as this age ends, the ending of Kali Yuga, when that happens, there will be some people left with whom we could build a new golden age. So your role is this, getting this 81,000 and then transferring the state to at least 1,000 people. You have power enough, which we will be transmitting, to give it to at least 100,000 people. So the field is out there. You could do it online. You could do it physically meeting people. You have full freedom to do whatever you want to do. But see that it spreads to people. Now, as it spreads, this Ananda state, along with it will go the love state. Along with that would go the oneness state, on which we will be focusing today, and many more states to come. As these states come in, you are automatically enlightened. So you don't have to focus on enlightenment, but on what enlightenment means. Enlightenment means Ananda. It means causeless love. It means oneness. All these states would come to you, which means you become enlightened. So that's what would be happening. We would be increasing your power to all that we are doing, and especially through the M&M class. So essentially, the universe is a process. What do we mean by that? Everything there is vibrating. And what is this vibration? One moment it is stillness, the other moment it is movement. Stillness, movement, stillness, movement, stillness, movement. That is how everything is vibrating, this whole universe. Its frequency. As we increase that frequency, your state will change. Your experience of life will change. So that is what we are doing. Every M&M class we are increasing it. Sooner or later you will be able to see it very clearly. And then you can transfer it. It's no use simply giving it to you. If you get it 81,000, your transferring power will be very, very great. Your prayers will be very, very powerful. With that, you will be helping humanity. Our ultimate objective is humanity. Help humanity. When I say humanity, it also includes animals, birds, plants, everything. So as